Okay, with this, I think I am live. Let's see. Yeah, I am live both on YouTube and Twitter. So we can start. Let me just tweet that I'm live and we are good to go. Okay, what what's the plan? It's Polymarket negative risk mapping. We have completed that part. Now we need to look at the next one, which is fixed product market maker mapping. We already have this and we are saving everything. This is the main thing now which we need to handle. Okay, so hopefully you guys are as interested as I am in doing this. Let me just give me a second. Okay, now we are back. Let's look at fixed product market maker, fixed product mark FPMM handler, fixed product market maker. It's already way too big, so we was handled by okay FPMM by. Now here we will handle everything. Currently here we are just checking things and we are not actually doing anything. We are not actually setting anything. At this point we are doing that. So we have that this check FPMM return. Okay, so I'm gonna assume this is also not important, and unless we are actually returning it, everything else is okay. If we are returning, uh, we are halting the execution. That part is at that point it becomes an issue. So let's do this part. Let's do this part and we'll start it here. Okay, we are not checking for 0. If you see bot token, okay, it's only used twice. So are we doing anything with price, calculate prices, new amount, calculate prices? Okay, no, we are not doing anything. We can ignore. Sorry, where am I? Yeah, okay. So let's copy this, get the permalink from here, add it. We have that. Now let's check. Okay, we first do, we should do, no, if event dot params dot amount bought is equals to 0, then we do const one. Okay, why we are accessing transaction hash? Okay, transaction hash does seem to be correct thing. So we'll try. We'll add that to log. Then we calculate price. Does fpmm load event address? Okay, this doesn't seem to be related. I don't know why they did this. They calculated this before all these checks, but we don't need that for second check. So we'll do const, no, yeah, const fpmm. Okay, maybe I should do fpmm. Okay, fpmm check is already at the top. We don't need to do that. We already have it. And we'll do then const, okay, const condition id equal to fpmm dot condition id. Now okay, this is quite interesting. Let's check our fpmm schema, fpmm type and their fpmm type, and check for the differences. Okay, they have condition id here. Do we have that? Okay, we don't have that particular thing. What are they? Okay, conditions dot zero, that we can do, and from that we are trying to get the condition. So control F condition. Okay, we can definitely do that. So fpmm conditions, next we check we do condition equal to await context condition dot get condition id Why we have issue? Okay, it can be undefined. If not condition ID, return. If not condition, we also return. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Give me a minute again. Yeah, I'm here. We do this, then we get position ID from condition dot positions condition dot position IDs. Okay, and this is in the for loop, I guess. No. Then where outcome index comes from? Oh, okay. Yeah. That makes sense. That makes much more sense. Const position ID equal to condition position IDs outcome index. Okay, I'm assuming we created it at the top. Yeah, we did. Okay, not ideal because we converted this to let. And okay, can we do const and yeah, that I just wanted to be sure that it's not getting changed below this, below that line. Then we calculate these things. Const price equal to event dot investment amount event dot params dot investment amount into collateral scale divided by token bot. Okay, that's great. We have outcome index. We have everything else. Now we just need to do update user position with buy. Then we pass how many things? Okay, we first pass context. Then we pass event dot params dot buyer position ID. Next event dot params dot outcome token bot, and I guess price will be in between that. Price amount, yeah, everything is correct. Can we do like context? No. Okay. Anyway, first part is done. We have executed that successfully. Also, wow, people are actually coming in. Okay, they are not staying here, but or maybe they are. No, I just see on analytics at least. I only see my own viewership. So I have chat running, stream running here. I can see that, but I don't see anyone else. If you are there, just put a hi in the chat. Really appreciate that. I would really appreciate that. Yeah. Okay. Now we handle FPM by. Again, we don't need to do this at the top. We'll do that at the bottom. This check is here, so we don't need to do that. Okay, almost everything is same. We just what? We just change this part and some things like return amount instead of token bot. No, investment amount instead of return amount instead of investment amount. Let me check here. We are doing outcome index, so let's convert this to const. So we are sure that nothing has changed. Then we take the permalink, add it here. Start with our first check, which is if event dot params dot outcome token sold equals to 0. Okay, everything is correct. Then we do the same thing. Condition ID is conditions.0. We check that. Then we get the condition. If condition is not there, we return it. Then we get position. Okay. Return amount sold. Let's check. Return and amount token sold. That's perfectly fine. Context, then seller, position ID. Okay, we don't need negative, and we don't need, it will be sell. Yeah, it's a different function, so we are done with that also. Okay, sorry about going in and out of stream, but I'll be back in a second. I am back. Now we will do funding added. Here we have the FPMM check at the top. Then I just need to check if we are returning we are halting the execution anywhere. If not, everything is fine. Yeah, everything is fine. This check is not needed. We do need these things: condition check and token checks. So okay, we'll see what this is. For now, oh, okay. There is law. There are a lot of things. Update position with buy. Largest amounts is the total USDC spent. Okay. Okay, we'll start with like by going one by one, but start with getting the permalink. First we get condition ID is const condition 0. We add a check here, then we get the condition and then we actually return. Yeah. Next, also testing this will be hell of a job. Like, I don't know. I don't think that sentence was correct. It will be very hard job. So I don't know if I'm going to like finish everything, like testing thoroughly, but let's see. Because if I do that, this series will continue for another month. And I'm being conservative there. I don't even think that's possible. So yeah, FMM, we did this check and we need to do this. If event.params. Wow, am I in the wrong? I'm assuming I am in the correct. No, I'm pretty sure I'm in. Yeah, I'm not in the correct handler. Remove this. Go FMM check. Then we do continue. There is no return, so that's a good thing. We add that check here. Then params 0 plus 1 equals to 0. Then we'll do no funding added in. Okay, funding added this part. Will this work? No. Do we add it here? Where do we add that? Okay, let me ask. Problems. Okay, problems. How to resolve this? It'll just add a question mark or something similar. So let's see and wait. Let's wait and see what are the correct statement is. Till then, let me add this here. Go check out NVO. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's way too much. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, we'll use this part. This is much simpler to understand. And yeah, okay, we did this check. Now we need to do this part. Parse funding, added send back. New function that we need to work with. Okay, please tell me that we have created this function already. No. Okay, not that difficult. Okay, let's start with this. We have utils new file pnl utils.ts, and we'll add everything here in single file. So function or const compute fpmm price equal to amounts. We are only getting two amounts, so we can say big int. Okay, now we do outcome index number. Okay, this outcome index number, and we don't have anything. We'll return big int. Here we can do amounts. Okay, let's say big int array. I'm much more comfortable doing this, so we are going to do that. Amounts 1 minus outcome index into collateral scale divided by amounts 0 minus amounts 1. Okay, there are so many issues again. Okay, no, it's not minus, it's plus. We'll put this in the bracket and ask it to solve that. all the issues. Okay, till then, if you guys are watching this, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to go follow me and Envio on Twitter. I have added Envio Twitter account, and then mine is this. My Twitter account. Okay, so you guys can please, if you guys can please do these three things, I'll be very happy with that. And if you want, what do you call, demo, then just DM me. I'll set you up with a demo, and I'll personally walk you through it. So don't hesitate to DM me for a demo or any question related to Envio, not just I don't know, just follow me there and ask any questions you have about Envio. I'm happy to answer those and get you on board quickly. So yeah, okay. There is no relevant request here. So let's see. Mm, okay, why is it taking so much time? Great. It always gives you this excellent. I don't like it. Give me better version. Till few months ago, I didn't know you can just like copy this and everything will be there. It's much simple for having context, giving the context to, what do you call, ChatGPT or something similar. So yeah, okay. I guess we are using this part. No, we are using other one. Okay, this can be. This is so bad. Const amount equal to, if amount is If not amount, then return like 0. Okay, now I'm assuming this is correct, and this will be only 0 or 1, and this will be array of two integers, two big int values. If not, then we are fucked. We messed up somewhere. So yeah, let's see. Next is parse funding. Export const parse funding added send back equal to now we want okay event okay we want event funding added fpmm. Not sure if we can send it, but we'll definitely try at least. Okay, we did this. Yeah. Now let's check fpmm. Yeah, hopefully that's the same type. No, no, it's not. We want event. Yeah, we want event. That's this type. What was the type? Okay, I'm not even sure. Okay, that's this type. I don't know if we can use that, so we'll wait. We'll wait and figure out how we can get that. Also, funding added sendback was this type. Oh, they just created that. We can also create it. Copy, and we can we say type. Yeah, and it's not U8, it's number. We can remove. Big int. Okay. Now I actually want to figure this out. Funding. Okay. Added underscore event. Event Oh, okay. Event is event filter. Then what is this? Okay, it's also event filter. Event filter arg. Event filter. And final is event filter definition. We'll stick with the first one and remove rest. Okay, we can export from generated. We don't need to use this. Did we do this somewhere else? Let's go at the top and see the imports. Yeah, FPMM funding addition. Okay, this one. Where are we using it? Here. Okay, no, that's correct. This is an unused import. We can remove it. Now we go here. We got the event, which is here, and we return funding sent back. Then what do we do? We check const outcome index equal to event dot params dot amounts added 0 is greater than. Okay, yeah, we again have the same issue that we had here. No, not here, somewhere along these lines. This can possibly be undefined. Okay, that's done. Also, how many people are watching? I don't know why I'm seeing like numbers here but not on analytics. So that's why I'm confused. Are people actually watching, or am I not me, but YouTube is hallucinating? Then we do price, no, const, price compute, funding added. Okay, I'll do const amounts added equal to, put this in array, remove this, then we do amounts 0 is greater than amounts added 1. How can this be undefined? Okay, now I'll just do big int. Okay, at this point it can't be undefined. amounts added. Okay, now we do return. Outcome index, price, and amount. Okay, we didn't calculate the amount. Here, check if this, check if conversion of begin array to begin save. I'll add to do because it feels it's not safe. Feels like it, but who knows? Const amount equal to amounts added one minus outcome index. Okay, minus okay. Now I want to check what can possibly be undefined at this point. Column, it's saying column 18. So what's column 18? Fix this. Okay. What if we do like read only? Okay, that doesn't solve the problem. ChatGPT gave me a rough idea of what to do, but again, I don't know how much we should trust it. It still gives you. Okay. Just update my code, not the whole function. Okay, no. change only the outcome index at declaration. Okay, that still doesn't work. Okay, let's see what this suggests. Okay, we do 0, 0 and 0 and no, we want outcome index price amount. Okay, outcome index price amount. Okay, that worked. All this. Okay, in the meanwhile, I guess this is the last function event handler that we are going to work on in this stream. We still need to finish few things. Okay. Didn't solve the error. I guess we won't be able to finish this today. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Okay, if that solves the issue, I don't have any issue with. I don't have any problem with that. That's awesome. Okay, you see, I just used if else, and we only have two outcome indexes, so it's much simpler. Then we go to this part and here const send back details equal to parse funding send back. Then we pass it event. We do const position id equal to condition dot position IDs and outcome details. We return, otherwise we do context funder position. Okay, everything is correct. If event dot params dot amount shares minted equals to 0, I guess we just do the same thing, right? Const total USDC spend equal to A is greater than B and AB. Okay. Const token cost equal to send back details dot amount into price divided by collateral scale. Okay, then const LP, why L is capital, LP share cost equal to total USDC spent minus US token cost. Const LP share price equal to LP share cost into collateral scale divided by shares minted, and then we update everything. Funder, okay, I guess use FMM address as position ID for shares. Okay, this is pretty cool. We have successfully finished this last, what do you call, event handler. So let's see. Git add, git commit dash m buy sell, and this is funding added, right? Funding added, FPMM handlers completed. PNL subgraph, git push, okay. With this we are almost at the finish line. We have 2 more handlers to go and then lot of testing. So hopefully you like the stream. If not, I don't know why you are watching, but I'm going to assume you like the stream. And what else? Yeah, I've shared the NVO accounts, NVO Twitter account, NVO website, and my Twitter account. So go follow me there. Follow NVO. Check out NVO and NVO, like NVO site and the docs. If you have any questions, you can DM me. Join the Discord. If you want a good plan or a discounts, you can always DM me on Twitter. I'll try to get you a great deal on any data related things or our hosted indexer plans. So don't forget to DM me if you have that, if you require that. And see you guys tomorrow here at 8:30 p.m. IST or 3 p.m. UTC. And have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye.